Kobe, what are you doing? That's Pookie's tent. Why are you dragging him? Huh? Today's Pookie's 10th birthday? Pookie, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. To you. No, don't go in there. Leave him. Pookie! Pookie! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You okay? Happy birthday! Huh. You just kicked Pookie out of his tent. Happy birthday to you. Kobe, say hi. How did Pookie get over here now? Let Pookie go in his tent. This way, Pookie. Come around this way. This way. Here. There's an opening here. Here. There's an opening there. Leave him. You happy, Pookie? Kobe, no. Kobe. No, don't put your stuffed animals in there.